beach. We got dancing, we got party, we got beautiful women. We doing good things over here. Deep roots, man. Keep it real.
Me not going nowhere. Here is a story where me want to know fi pray. Ladies and gentlemen, the bleachers them out. And me also wonder how them a bleach still, you know. And now me I realize, in the sun hat, say the sun hat activate the bleaching cream. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Uno sick. Uno sick. I mean, I have a couple people on the screen right here where I look up to. Uno sick. Any boy where I rub him face. A witch. You know that? I don't call him a warlock. Me I call him a witch. Here come the semi-femi thing in a Jamaica. Cause that is what's going on. Me call a one ya summer heat. Cause the summer heat is no match for the people them wear bleach. Listen to me. Them boy have to get sent to prison for identity theft. Bleaching cream can cause damage to your skin, but them don't care. And the teacher they're following, dressing in black denim suit, with naturally draw heat from the scorching overhead sun. Here's a girl named Tash. She appeared to be unbothered by the scorch, by the heat, as she continued doing her business in downtown Kingston market area. A market vendor busy on her hustle. Tash, like so many bleachers in the capital city, is dressed as if it was snowing in Jamaica. She wear a black scarf around her head and neck, exposing only her eye. Multiple color socks that are pulled up over her foot, all the way over the foot of her pants, and a pair of gloves. She is, despite it being midday in a Jamaica, the heat not really bother me because me use it too, said the 20-some-year-old, who views the hot day as a blessing. The heat kinda good for we because it make we skin come quicker and less money for buy bleaching cream. Because, trust me, bleaching expensive, Tash say. Her skin come quicker. Comment refer to the shortening of the time that it would take a person with dark skin to achieve generally paler skin tone. Michelle is another skin bleacher who was spotted in the market district dressed in the same dark track suit. Hey, and wearing a rimmed hat. She said that the heat was being almost unbearable. However, she is not concerned about the little heat and the likelihood of suffering the adverse effect of sun bleaching doing this time. Me wear black because it make me sweet, make me sweat. This week especially, it's like the sun stand up a ground beside you. Over 9 years me a rub, she said. For Mitchell, enduring the heat is the price that she is willing to pay for a lighter skin tone. Put it this way. The same way we braid with hair and make it tight, and you know say for all a week you can't go sleep comfortable, at the same way the bleaching thing go. We not go say in the sun forever. And at the end of the day, when you see how we glow up, we are go happy, she said. Doctors have warned the patient of the potential impact of pursuing a lightened skin through bleaching. In fact, clinicians have agreed that lightening the skin with the bleaching cream will cause skin disease and even cancer. General practitioner Dr. Omar Jackson said that the production of melanin, which gives the skin the color, is what is being halted by the skin bleaching. He said that melanin helps protect the skin from harmful UV rays from the sun, and thus people who engage in skin bleaching will be at a greater risk for developing skin disease such as skin cancer. The UV light will damage the skin more because the melanin is bleached out. In the pursuit of the lighter skin, the melanin is there to protect one's skin. Therefore, you can look out in the future for a high prevalence of skin cancer in Jamaica, he said. He stated that a skin bleacher could protect their skin from the sun by using or by wearing protective clothing, preferably made of cotton. He also said that they can use hats and umbrellas to protect themselves. The earth on Tuesday was warm to the highest temperature ever recorded in Jamaica. The meteorologist service has said that Jamaica should brace for a warming temperature in August, with at least 15 to 20 heat wave days through the end of the month. The Ministry of Health and Wellness advisor member of public that excessive heat stress is harmful to the health and can potentially be fatal. Them black people you don't have no love. As you see, are the people them who want on them skin white, we respect in our life. Your melanin is just like your protective armor. Jamaicans, black people worldwide, I don't know why. Why you want to bleach out yourself? And the same reason why I cut off on the hair, you know. Because I don't want to look like I. Look on the one up on the screen. A Beetlejuice that blouse and skirt turn, if you know what I mean. Fire upon a bleacher. Bun a boy and gal from him now. Follow the right teacher. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. I'm more life, I'm more joy. I'm reporting Jamaicans, I am embarrassed. You all are spread it worldwide. The people them a follow you. Man like vibe start well. You can tell say him is a jag queen. Femi. And all of Jamaica want a reason to follow him. All of Jamaican man, any man will take a chemical, rub on him face, if he look like a white man, you want me to respect that? A devil them ya. Them boy ya don't love themselves. Them burn out them melanin. They run them slide and felony. A good thing Jamaican government lock up this ya folia. Skeletor. Skeletor. And the black woman them should have shame on herself. Me no want none of you. From you a bleach, me a walk on the next side of the street. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear what me talking about. I'm talking about Jamaicans and the summer heat. The people them don't like themselves. They love the white man so much. Them a buy chemical from the white man for bleach out themselves. And you want me rate you know? You mad as blouse and skirt. Me no want no girl wear bleach. Me no follow no teach wear bleach. Fire and lava. You hear what the doctor say? Skin cancer. Mercury make your brains crazy. Listen, government of Jamaica, you wicked. You should make it illegal for people change them skin. You take man for stupid. And so you develop crime so boy can bleach out them face and corrupt them mind and kill me for your nickel. Murder me for your dime. Our government invent crime. More fire. Then if me can see them bleach out face folia, all in Rasta boy. Bleach out face. Cargo. Bleach out face. What a disgrace. Look how the boy used to look handsome. Right now him look like a curry face. Look pan the boy vibe start well and end bad. Him look like a Skeletor. Hey man.